Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and right here go to the Gmail application. Right now here you can see on the left upper corner this icon, and tap there, and here you can see that we got two accounts. Now we just log into accounts, and now just go here to the manage accounts on this device, and for example we wanna log out from this first account. Just tap on this Gmail account, and here tap to remove account, and just tap again to confirm that. And as can you see right now, we got here only one account. Now we'll just check here in the application this info. Yeah, right now as can you see we got only one Gmail account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.